I used to really struggle with finding swimwear that I love, but now I know how to dress for my shape, and that's made a huge difference. So for me, I carry a lot of my weight in my belly, and I don't have the flattest belly after having a couple kids. So I do love either one pieces or like really, really high bottoms. I'll wear those as well. This swimsuit's just one of my absolute favorites. It's got a little bit of that sexiness in there, but also kind of modest, and it kind of sucks you in. And the way it does all those different lines, that's really flattering. It kind of like tricks your eyes so it doesn't know where to look. Now I also size up in swimwear. I'm wearing a size extra large. I'm size 8, 5'8". I can wear a large in this suit too, but I choose to go one size up just to give myself extra room. I don't want anything like cutting or anything like that. You got to kind of know how to play to your body shape. That's one thing I've learned. And in the past, I probably wouldn't go for a one shoulder. I would shy away from that, but it's fun. So try something maybe you haven't tried. Animal print, I usually don't go for that either, but I really love it on this one. The back on this one's cute. It just has like a cutout. And then if you are self-conscious about your body, I do recommend go for black, at least on the bottom part. It tends to make a difference, at least for me. So hopefully those tips help you out when it comes to swimsuit shopping. And if you want a link to this one, I have it in the description and in the comments.